Alright everyone, before we get started, I am going to show a quick tutorial on how I do my nail prep. Now I know most of us already know how this goes, however a lot of people don't, and if you don't know what it is that needs to be done in a typical manicure, then you don't know what to look for when you go looking for videos on YouTube. And this has been requested of me from some of my friends that I work with that they would like to see how I prep my nails. So going to go on ahead and get into that.
And here you see me pushing back my cuticles. This is an important step as it extends the nail plate, giving you more surface area to apply product. Now I'm running my nail Dremel around the cuticle area to remove any dead skin left behind when I push back my cuticles. Dead skin comes off really easily, so if you don't do this, your product will adhere to the dead skin and then it's going to lift. Now, some of you may be noticing that there is still product left on my nails. You see the sparkly stars and stuff. This is actually fine as long as there are no lifted areas underneath the product. Product will actually adhere better to more product than to your actual nail plate. This is why we use primer and base coat to promote adhesion. This is also why you often experience chipping when wearing regular nail polish. If you have a base layer of product like acrylic or gel, regular nail polish will last much longer. So if you already have product down, it will minimize prep before applying new product. So I'll stop talking now and you can watch the rest of the process.
This is just regular alcohol. And we're just going to use this to remove any dust that the brush didn't get rid of. And that is literally all there is to it. Now, for those of you who are just starting out doing your own nails and you really don't know what to do, you don't know what to expect, let me start off by telling you something very important. This little bit here, you can get these in packs. They come in all kinds, and I mean, they come in silver. You don't have to get the rainbow ones. I love my ceramic bits, but bits like these are for removing acrylic or product, polygel, whatever have you. Never use a coarse bit. You see the Arbor files, you know, any of this stuff. Don't use these on your regular nail. If at any point during doing your own nails or even receiving a service from a licensed nail tech at a salon, if you experience pain, something is wrong. This should not hurt. Everything that you just saw me do was 100% painless. It should not hurt. If it hurts, it's doing damage. Remember that. Very important.